Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Percepta's Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. In this video, we'll walk through how to log progress on tasks in Microsoft Project, an essential step to keep your schedule accurate, up to date, and aligned with reality. Logging progress helps project managers and team members track actual work completed against the original project plan. Here's why it's important. Monitor actual versus planned work. See how real progress compares to your initial schedule. Keep the schedule accurate. Project automatically updates timelines and remaining work. Support team accountability. Everyone knows who's done what and when. Enable performance reporting. Progress data feeds into reports and dashboards. Improve forecasting and future planning. Past performance helps refine future estimates. Now, let's add a column to track task completion percentages. In the Gantt chart view, scroll to the right of your task table. Click plus Add Column. From the drop-down list, select Percent Complete. This column will display the progress for each task in percentage form. To update task progress, highlight the task you want to update. Go to the Task tab on the ribbon. In the Schedule group, choose one of the progress options: 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. Once selected, the Percent Complete column and Gantt chart bar will automatically update to reflect the progress made. And that's it. You've just learned how to log progress on tasks using the Percent Complete feature in Microsoft Project. Keeping these updates current helps you maintain an accurate schedule, track performance, and communicate real progress to your stakeholders. Thanks for watching this session of our Microsoft Project Desktop App Training Series. See you in the next video.